I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Herzegovina. When they ask you how you know you're in Herzegovina, when you feel the hot weather, you're in Herzegovina. When you feel the cold weather, you're in Bosnia. Because Bosnia is a mostly mountain area. This is the Neretvarina, the coldest river in the world. 7 degrees in average. The temperature of this river, 250 kilometers long.
Afternoon. Welcome to Bosnia and Herzegovina. Welcome to the city of Mostar. I'm not sure have you heard my name well, but my name is Alica, A-L-I-C-A. Very hard name to remember, especially for a male, even for the local people. So if you have any troubles by calling me Alica, just make some name for me, okay?
Alex.
So
Alex.
do it by a free will, Alex. Okay, so Alex, sounding like a cool person right now. Today I'm gonna be your local tour guide in the city of Mostar, of course, during the walking tour that we will do after the lunch, okay? Feel free to ask any questions. Feel very free to communicate and talk with me about anything that might be interesting for you guys. And I know that Philip already done it, because Philip, not only because he is my best friend in tourism, he's really one of the best guys that you can have. So we are like, brothers from 2 different countries. So I know that he informed you to be careful of your personal belongings. Please be like that. Keep it in front of yourself. There is nothing dangerous. There is nothing that you should be scared of. But just taking a little care of your personal belongings can help this day to go smoothly, without any pickpocketing, etc. And also, as we are here in front of the church, I will just tell you that this church over here is the largest church in Herzegovina, one of the most important churches in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and its bell tower is, as you can see, abnormally high. It's 107 meters high bell tower, so that's the highest building in the city of Mostar. For us, it will be important because of those two reasons. I mean, first one is that it is the largest building in the city of Mostar. Second, this is how we find our parking line after the tour. Okay, so I personally believe that even Stevie Wonder would be able to see this. We all gonna follow it on the way back to the parking line. There is no place in the city where from you cannot see this. So this is the best possible orientation spot how to get back to the parking line after the tour. Let's continue to the restaurant side. I will maybe stop once again. Before the communists were here was only around 25,000 people. After the communist era, the population of Mostar will be 137,000 people. It means that people from all over Herzegovina came up here to the city of Mostar to live here because during that time Mostar became economical, trade, industrial, political and cultural center of Herzegovina. And then sadly, one specific era or one specific stage for this war. During the 19th of the last century, Bosnia and Herzegovina was scattered by a heavy war between everyone, war between people that are generally have lived together, that are generally looking like the same people, so